Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a virtually brand new Zero DSR 14.4. This bike only has 214 miles and is offered for $12,999 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This bike, brand new, will sell for $18,000 plus fees, so it's about a $6,000 savings for a bike with 214 miles. In addition to the standard features on the DSR, this one has a GV top case that you could remove that if you like, or put some things that put a helmet in there, or some other items for storage. This one also has the zero charge tank, meaning you can charge it up at any level 2 charging station. Anywhere you can charge a Tesla or a Chevy Bolt or Nissan Leaf, any of those you can charge this motorcycle at. No need to change the oil on it because it doesn't have any, but we did do a safety check on it and she's all dialed in, ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on the bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, or at any given time we'll have 45 to 50 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.